Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl Owen Company. Today we are concluding our ranch truck build series with a lift kit and suspension kit from Icon Vehicle Dynamics. We've already added the ranch hand front bumper, Pace Edwards bed cover, rigid lights, and the Curt adjustable ball hitch in our previous video, which you can check out right here. Now we are adding the final piece of the puzzle, a lift kit and wheels from Icon Vehicle Dynamics. Let's check it out. Systems are designed to dramatically increase the on and off-road ride quality of your vehicle. Icon's engineers' primary focus is to increase wheel travel and damping ability, which translates into outstanding vehicle control and ride quality. With wheel travel and ride quality in mind, the Stage 2 system includes vehicle-specific tuned 2.5-inch series coilover shocks featuring an internal reservoir for exceptional cooling properties. And Icon developed iBot coil springs for superior vehicle feel through a range of travel. These coilovers are height adjustable from 1 to 3 inches, allowing the use of larger and more aggressive wheels and tire combinations. Coilovers are what set Icon apart from others because they are 100% tuned for each specific application, and that's a big deal. This system features upper control arms with Icon's patented Delta joint. The Delta joint is a heavy-duty, high-angle ball joint that combines the durability of a ball joint with the performance characteristics of a traditional uniball. What makes the Delta joint unique is that it brings the best of both worlds to Icon upper control arms with features that make it more robust than a uniball, and at the same time capable of greater angularity than a typical ball joint. We also added the all-new Icon alloy rebound wheels, combining sharp lines, a concave spoke design, and Icon optimized dimensions. These wheels will increase both the form and function of your Jeep, your SUV, or truck. We hope you enjoyed this video and the whole ranch truck build series. We want to thank everyone involved, Ranch Hand, Pace Edwards, Rigid, Curt, and Icon for making all this possible. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button and leave a comment below with any suggestions for our next truck build. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and remember to tune in every week for more truck related products like this. See y'all next week. All right, I got this, bro. It's like doctors and dentists, dude. They properties or angularity than the typical ball joint.